Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 from 1 to 6 answers. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. हम यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करा रहे हैं सभी तरह के PDF और हैंडरिटन असाइनमेंट्स। अगर आप चाहते हैं तो आप हमारे दिए गए नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. So you can contact us on our number, which is 900-936-8238. Now let us talk about the questions. So in the questions, there are the total 6 questions in each and every subject, and there is options so that you can see the first A and B. So in which you have to only answer one question. Similarly, in the second question, in the third question, in the fourth question, and in the fifth question. Sixth question also, but sixth question is on the project based question, and you have to write answers and deeply and project wise, like that you can see there. Here the questions is very big, so according to the questions you have to write all the points and all the necessary things that you need to answer it. So here we are here for help you, so you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly on your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching.